Rivian Automobiles has made a big splash in the EV space, having made a blockbuster debut on Nasdaq. And Rivian shares exploded on its debut, making the company the second most valuable automaker in the US. Various ASX-listed stocks have also performed well in the past amid burgeoning demand for electric vehicles. Hi, I'm Sage and you are watching the Buzzing Trends show by Kalkine TV. In today's show we're going to look at 3 ASX EV or electric vehicle stocks as Rivian kicks up a storm. The Amazon-backed electric vehicle maker Rivian Automotive Inc. has taken the EV space by storm after its blockbuster Nasdaq debut. And the party seems to continue for Rivian as its shares are up approximately 22% at the time of writing this report. Rivian shares shot up by around 53% on Wednesday 10th November on its debut, boosting the market value of the automaker to $100 billion. The electric vehicle manufacturer paired some opening gains to close nearly 30% up per share, and the significant surge in the share prices of the company made Rivian the second most valuable automaker in the US behind EV giant Tesla, which holds a net worth of $1.06 trillion. Since last year, EV firms have become the cynosure for investors as they are fascinated by the lucrative returns delivered by these stocks amid burgeoning demand for EVs globally. And the current IPO allowed Rivian to raise nearly $12 billion to fund the growth of the company. Additionally, this figure could rise to $13.7 billion if full over-allotment of shares is exercised, making it the biggest IPO in the US since Alibaba Group went public in September 2014. Also, Rivian's IPO comes at an opportune time and aligns well with the objective of the United Nations Climate Summit, where airlines, automakers and governments unveil a raft of pledges to cut greenhouse emissions from global transport. And given this backdrop, let's now take a look at 3 ASX-listed EV stocks that are gaining traction as Rivian kicks up a storm. First up is Novonix. It is an integrated developer and supplier of services, equipment and materials to the worldwide lithium-ion battery industry, with its operations sprawled over the US and Canada. The company holds a market base in more than 14 countries. Novonix is engaged in the production of equipment required in the manufacturing of EVs, and Novonix's competitive, advanced and innovative method of producing materials makes it a potentially sound EV investment. The battery player has developed an eco-friendly and more affordable way to create the materials, and Novonix stock price as of 12th November 2021 is $8.77 Australian, with the market capitalisation of 4.35 billion Australian dollars. Its 52-week return is approximately 681.90%. Let's move on to the next, Rectifier Technologies Incorporated. In November 1992, Rectifier Technologies is an Australia-based company with a global presence, and the company is specialised in manufacturing and developing reliable and highly efficient power conversion products. The rectifiers prepared by the company are used to convert alternating current to direct current, and the company has a tie-up with a Brisbane-based Tritium engaged in manufacturing EV chargers as well. The company is fast becoming one of the leading EV charging solution providers, and Rectifier Technologies stock price as of the 12th of November 2021 is Australian dollars 0.052, with the market cap of 67.40 million Australian dollars. Its 52-week return is approximately 18.18%. And third on our list is Ampol. It is Australia's leading transport fuel company, having extended its footprint in Singapore and New Zealand. ALD is now stepping into the EV space. And Ampol has recently teamed up with the Australian Renewable Energy Agency to build an EV charging station network. Under the partnership, Ampol will equip more than 100 of its service stations with EV charging stations. And Ampol's stock price as of the 12th of November 2021 is $30.52 Australian, with the market cap of 7.2 billion Australian dollars. Its 52-week return is 9.14%. And the bottom line here is the red-hot reception of a Rivian IPO is a clear indicator of the craze among investors towards the EV stocks and the potential they see in such stocks. Aussie EV stocks too are a hot space to watch, as Australia has committed to reach net zero by 2050. Something to definitely smile about. And thanks for joining us on today's show. Stay watching Kalkine TV for more live expert talks and market trends. This is Sage signing off.